guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanisha. So guys, today I'm going to show you my AM and PM skincare routine. So firstly, let's talk about my skin. I have a combination skin, so I usually sweat a lot over this T area, and then I have some blackheads and whiteheads all over my nose. And if I talk about pimples and acne, बहुत रेयर होता है कि ऐसे पिंपल्स वगैरह आ जाए, अदरवाइज बिल्कुल भी नहीं आते हैं. सो आई हैव बीन डूइंग द स्किन केयर रूटीन सिंस लाइक 1 or 2 ईयर, एंड जो भी मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं आई कीप ऑन चेंजिंग देम आफ्टर 2 to 3 months. तो अभी मेरी स्किन के लिए जो सबसे परफेक्ट जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. एंड आई गेस विदाउट फर्दर अडू वी शुड गेट स्टार्टेड विद आवर मॉर्निंग रूटीन. I start off with this cleanser from Minimalist, and it's their salicylic acid plus LHA cleanser for oily and combination skin. It removes all the oil, dirt, sebum from my face that usually builds up overnight, and it makes my skin feel very hydrated and refreshed all day long. Next, I use this face toner from the brand called Himaira. It has a citrusy kind of smell and feel, and also it feels as if it's infused with a lot of lemons, but it's infused with vitamin C, that's why I go with this one. Next, I go with a vitamin C serum, and this one is from the brand called the Moms & Co, and it's a really good brand. I love this brand, especially their serums. And the reason that I go with the vitamin C serum is because I have some dark spots, and I usually get a lot of dullness due to suntan and a lot of other factors. So that's why I always go with the vitamin C serum in the morning. Lastly, I go with a sunscreen, and this one is from the brand called Dot & Key, and it's their SPF 50 PA+++ sunscreen. And this is something that I never avoid in my morning routine, because we tend to get a lot of sun exposure, sun tan, and in order to protect our skin from those harmful rays of the sun, I always apply sunscreen on my face and on my neck as well. Also, the combination of vitamin C and sunscreen gives a double protection to our skin. That's why I tend to avoid skin moisturizer, and sometimes I directly just go with the sunscreen. And yeah, that was it for my morning skincare routine. So for my night routine, firstly I get rid of all the makeup that I have applied in the morning. So for that, I'm gonna tie my hair up and make a cute bun, and just put a cute hairband as well. So to remove my makeup, I go with this cleansing balm from the brand called Earth Rhythm, because it melts down my makeup, especially my mascara, very easily as compared to any other oils or micellar water. And then using this soft pad, I remove the melted makeup from my face. Then I use this micellar water to double cleanse my face, so as to ensure that nothing is left on my face. Next, I wash off my face using this gel cleanser from the brand called the Dermaco, and it's their salicylamide anti-acne face wash, and it's perfect if you get a lot of sweat or oil on your face. For toner, I go with this one from the brand called Pores Be Pure, and it's their anti-pollution face toner, which gives a very hydrating and fresh feel. Next, I go with the hyaluronic acid, as it soothes my skin and makes my skin very plumpy, very glowing. And after that, I go with a cold jade roller, and I just massage my face all over for like 5 to 7 minutes. Next, I go with an under eye cream so as to get rid of my dark circles, and this one is from the brand called Chemist at Play. I gently massage it under my eyes, and I even spread it out using my fingers so that the product gets into my skin properly. Next, I go with this gel based sleeping mask, and it's from the brand called Quench. So it's basically like a gel based moisturizer, but it makes my skin very plumpy, soothing, and glowing the next morning. So I usually go with a sleeping mask rather than a gel moisturizer. Lastly, I apply this lip balm all over my lips so as to give a very good nourishment to my lips. And guys, that was it for my night care routine.